Robert Frost was one of the greatest American poets of the 20th century. He was born in San Francisco, California, and later moved to Lawrence, Massachusetts. He spent the years 1912 to 1915 in England to devote himself entirely to writing. Then he moved back to the United States. His poems are notable for the realistic depiction of the rural life of New England. They are also concerned with the complexities of life, human tragedies, and fears. Some of his best-known collections are North of Boston, New Hampshire, West Running Brook, Mountain Interval, and Complete Poems. He was conferred with the Pulitzer Prize 4 times and was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature 31 times. He also received the title Poet Laureate of Vermont in 1961 and the Congressional Gold Medal in 1962. Dust of Snow depicts how a simple event in nature brings about a transformation in the poet's mood. Let's see what happens in Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. People do not think much of some birds, like crows. People stay away from certain plants, like hemlock, because it is poisonous. But not everyone. Frost in the poem shows us another side to the crow and the hemlock. Let's see how he does that. The poet is standing under a hemlock tree. Suddenly, a crow scatters some snow on him. Such a simple event changes the mood of the poet. Before this, his day was filled with regrets. But now he feels better. He feels that at least some part of his day is saved. So, while most people only see the crow and hemlock as bad, Frost associates them with simple happiness. Now let us look at the literary elements of the poem Dust of Snow. In the poem, Frost uses the crow, the hemlock tree, and the dust of snow as symbols. Crow and hemlock usually signify something bad, but in the poem, they bring joy to the poet and make him feel better. Frost uses simple imagery like a crow scattering snow from hemlock tree and dust of snow falling on the poet to depict the positive effect of nature on the poet. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The words crow and snow rhyme with each other. The words me and tree also rhyme with each other. So if we assign A to crow and snow and B to me and tree, then the rhyme scheme of the stanza is ABAB.